Let us proceed with the next topic in the graphics. In the previous topic in the development, we had seen some objects where it was given that the object is having some hole, that is the square hole, and if we are to consider that particular square hole or circular hole which is perpendicular to axis, this will lead to the penetration of two different objects. Let us consider a simple problem. Say a square prism. Problem says that a square prism of side 40 millimeters, a square prism of side 40 millimeters is resting on its base, such that the sides of the base are equally inclined. The sides of the base are equally inclined to the vertical plane. It is penetrated by a triangular prism. It is penetrated by a triangular prism of side 30 millimeters, such that the axis of the triangular prism is parallel to VP. Axis of the triangular prism is parallel to VP and is bisecting the axis of the square prism. Face of the triangular prism, the rectangular face of the triangular prism is parallel to VP and away from the observer. Draw three views showing the curves of penetration. Now in this typical problem, they had not given us the heights of the prism. So we will start with drawing the square prism, that is square in the top view, such that the sides of the square are equally inclined to VP, that is making 45 degrees with VP, and you can very well darken them. So the square prism has been drawn in the top view. Height of the prism is not given to us. Let us assume some height, say 70 or 80, because in penetration problem they may not give us the height. So I am taking it as 70 millimeters and drawing the front view of that square prism. As we have said that we will complete the construction and then we will proceed with the naming part. As three views has been asked, as we are asked to draw three views of this solid, we will follow the procedure of drawing some line perpendicular to XY